I want you to see this, all right? These are little toy balls, all right? And they're squeezable, but be careful because if you make too much noise, you're going to bring in the dogs. Now, be careful because these are a little too small. So you got to make sure you have a little larger, a little smaller dog. But these are perfect. My dogs like them, but I kind of keep them away from him once in a while. I play with them, but then they like it too much. Watch this. I'm going to show you guys. How attracting they are. Look at this. Make noise inside. Look at it. There goes one. There goes the other one. Look at this. Look who just, look who I attracted to a cat. What is this? It's a toy. You want it too? No. Give me 5 first. So if you guys are looking for a great toy, this is it.